Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to share, so start by exporting a stable file. This prevents broken links and missing assets. Tap Export, pick resolution and frame rate. 1080p at 30 fps is a reliable default, and wait for rendering to finish. Once done, save the file to your device or upload to Capcut Cloud so collaborators can access the source. Make sure the export finished without errors. If it stalls, re-render at a lower quality to confirm the timeline is intact before moving on. Now generate a share link depending on your goal, an editable project link for collaboration versus a video link for viewing. Tap the project menu, select Share or Collaborate, and pick link type. Editable links let others import and change the timeline, while video links stream the final file. Then set permissions, view only, comment, or edit so you control changes. Once done, copy the link and confirm its settings. If unsure, test the link in a private browser or with a teammate first. Finally, deliver the link with clear instructions and deadline. Paste it into a message, email, or Capcut project chat and add brief notes about what you want. If the recipient reports access problems, immediately recheck permissions and whether the link expired. Adjust and resend. If collaborators see missing clips or fonts, export and share the finished video as a backup or send a repackaged project. One quick troubleshooting tip: log out and back in or recopy the link to clear transient permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.